marks like a metronome. Hand on the leather convoy keeps a measured tone. Matte paint plate straight, tires taste the bitumen. Kick snare in the dash, rhythm where the engine spin. Low rim composure, coat over braggadocio. Every mud surgical, motion like a rodeo. Seatbelt symphony, timing in the tack low. Macros in the mind, tight lines where we stack flow. Roll information, focus over showmanship. Wheels ride the sun, asphalt is the manuscript. Calm in the chaos, no panic in the counter. Heartbeat sync with the drum, keep the cadence clear. Clutch bite, syncopate, shift gate, clicks and time indicators, whisper plans, physics keeps us in line. Talk curve, talks back, pride never overrides. Respect for the limits, patience in the long rides. Crew keep a discipline, quiet is the lightest flex. Earned every inch of it, checks come after checks. From pit stop to pitfalls, wisdom is the fuel we burn. Lesson after lesson, every corner gives a turn. Steel nerves, steering tires, hiss like brush taps. Bass thump, underpass, snare snap like hubcaps. Badges kept subtle, silence over showy paint. DJ cut the chorus in, hook hits, no restraint. Postcode plotted like notes in the measure. Routes interlock, we compose under pressure. No loudmouth pageant, we move with intent. Proof in the mileage, not in how the money's spent. Raw information, focus over showmanship. Asphalt is the manuscript. Calm in the chaos, no panic in the counter steer. Heartbeat sync with the drums, keep the cadence clear. Windshield, odometer confessions. Long roads taught more than a stack of lessons. If static starts, we redraw the narrative. Brains before bravado, that's imperative. Gangland aesthetic without glamorizing harm. Code stays clean, steady, wheel steady arm. From curb to horizon, we honor the art. Motor in the music, discipline in the heart. Roll information, focus over showmanship. Wheels ride a sermon, asphalt is the manuscript.